Bill, time to defeat this monster.
Bill! Time to get up. Bill!
We gotta wrap this up.
Then prepare yourself, Bill.
Prepare myself for... Whoa! Ah!
Leap, Bill!
Bill? Come on, lazy bones. Sleep time's over. Eat up, we're late. Remember, I'm picking you up after school for piano lessons. Oh, then it's swimming, and then math tutoring, and then after
But
that...
Mom, I was up all night fighting, with my homework. Can't I just skip all that stuff today?
Sorry, kiddo. I had to do all this stuff, too. See? Circuit Vendors Club. Oh, Taekwondo Jang. Even Ultimate Disc Disciples. Oh. Whoa! Wow!
I did not know the mom of Bill was a champion of so many disciplines.
Yeah. She did a lot of stuff. But she didn't have to save the world from Drool, too.
Bill, as your clan leader, it is her burden to prepare you for the battles ahead. Clan leader Axebear would move the bedrolls of the young 1,000 strides away as they slept, so they would learn to battle their way home.
I guess, but... Fangbone?
Bill, was this child's mother a toe?
Tim Joe Man? More like Jim Toe Man, am I right? What? That was hilarious!
Did you not see me blink in a humorous way?
Is there a problem, Bill?
Our mind flesh merely thirsts for your wondrous teachings.
Good, I think.
What? No! But if the toe is there, then...
What glorious carnage caused this?
I think we did.
That is a creature of Drool. The time for understanding will come later.
Watch out! Whoa! Fangbone!
Bill! Release your jaws, legless demon!
Thanks. You saved my mom?
Of Bill?
Who the hockey sticks are you?
I'm, Bill, your son.
Huh? Ha! Nice try. But you're not fooling me. And you're not getting the toe.
I do not know what has happened, but the toe is our burden, Mom of Bill.
There was just a little earth-changing mishap. Give us the toe back and we'll fix it.
Pass. See ya.
Bill! A mighty omen. It rains blood.
What? That's not possible. Ah! What is this? Ah!
Drool turned the rain to hot sauce 8 years ago. Come on, I've got a place you can wait it out. Shoes off, it's not a hovel. Oh, okay, it is a hovel, but it's my hovel.
Bill, your home wears the marks of battle well.
Oh, man. We really messed up the future. Or is it the past? I guess it's kind of the present?
Stop! We are where we are, and we are without the toe.
Food's up.
PB pretzels? They're my favorite.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa.
I mean, who doesn't like peanut butter and pretzels? If Drool didn't send you, what are you guys doing here?
We protect the toe too. Except where we do it, it's really different. You're really different.
Uh-huh, like how?
Well, you're like a normal mom, and not some kind of cyborg warrior.
The rain is not as bracing.
And none of the buildings have fallen over.
I remember that. I was about your age when the toe just kinda appeared. Drool wanted it back. I knew I could never let that happen. His monsters destroyed the town pretty much immediately. Soon, everyone was gone. I've been guarding the toe 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, ever since.
6 days a week?
Yeah, one of Drool's monsters ate Saturday. You're the only other people I've seen fight Drool in I don't know how long. But even if you do fight Drool, which I still don't believe, I've been doing it alone and longer than you've been alive.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Shh. We're clear. Heads up. You can use that if you want.
You trust us to stay the night unguarded?
No.
Quickly, Bill. We must retrieve the toe while she makes the snores of slumber.
We can't steal from my mom. She'd kill us. This one especially.
Bill, this is not the mom of Bill we know. We cannot trust her.
Hold on. All of her passwords are my birthday.
But this mom of Bill is mom of no one.
Oh.
Nice try, skirt pants. What's Drool paying you? Gold? Magic? Magic gold?
I do not wish to battle you, mom of Bill.
Suits me fine.
Run, Fangbone! Hurry! Back to the school! That would be so cool if she wasn't chasing us!
Toe. Now.
No, not even later.
Wait! We can put the world back the way it was!
The toe!
Look out!
This is your fault!
Trust us or not, we gotta stop that thing from getting to the portal! Stop fighting us! Well, we can turn Earth back to the way it was!
I said pass!
Wait! You played Epic Disc Thingy, right?
It's called Ultimate, and I was the best. Wait, how'd you know that?
Mom! Not Mom. Get ready for a save. Fangbone, give me a boost!
Trust your not son, or we both lose the toe!
Whoa! Mom, now!
Got it! Hey, skirt pants, now!
Yes!
You guys actually do fight Drool. Leave the snake. The hot sauce rain makes really great marinade. And you really think you can make the world like this again?
Yeah.
You know, since I got the toe, nothing felt quite right. You have no idea what you're doing, do you?
Kinda?
You have been a worthy protector, other mom of Bill.
You know, I kind of knew you were my kid the moment I met you.
Really?
It's the only reason you're still alive.
Thanks, Mom.
Hugging me is lame.
Mom!
What was that for?
Just 'cause. So, piano lessons?
Nah, you know what? You were right. You deserve a night off. Let's just get some pizza and, I don't know, watch a movie? I'm dying to see Cyborg Survivor too.
Yeah.
Night, kid.
Night, Mom.
Night, Snuggle Puffin.
What? But...
Pick up the pace, people! I said light walk, not easy stroll.
Is this training a jest? Should I be laughing? Ha 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 ha!
Nope. After Dibby accidentally swallowed a basketball, they hired Mr. Coach to pump things down a notch.
10 ball bounces, go!
10?
Yeah, good call, Eddie. Let's all take a break.
This class makes us weak! Our clan would be devoured by even the smallest Slitherfang!
Gym class isn't really about fighting monsters, Fangbone.
Then Jim's class is no class at all. Your leadership is weak! I challenge you to become the new Jim of class!
Sure, Sword Kid. You run gym class, here!
Ah, the mighty Whis-El, a powerful tool of command. Do you wish to become warriors of legend?
Yeah, that sounds cool.
Do you wish to fear nothing and conquer everything? Then follow me, for I will lead you to the shield-smashing heights of true warrior might! First, you must climb the wall of struggle. Patty, climb! Climb for your life!
I can't get a grip!
Come on, Patty! Make your own!
That is not strength!
Getting really hurt is lame.
Lift the rock of lifting and grow strong so you may lift larger rocks of lifting.
Exceeding design limits.
Not if Eddie helps you!
No! You must each be strong!
What's happening?
The place of pelting teaches you to endure pain until you are strong enough to pelt your enemies back!
Ow! Stop it!
Stop! Robert, do that thing you do!
And that is not strength! Endless glitter, weak limbs, unarmored nakedness. Gah! Not even the shame pits of Skullbania could contain so much shame!
Fangbone, they're not like you.
A strong leader can forge his clan into anything. Oh, wait, that is it! The game that forges clans!
Ooh, I love games!
In an age long past, Clobber the Barbarian confused Skullbania with his invention of the ball. But then, he ran with it, and the others knew they had to have it, and Clobber Ball was born.
Chase the guy with the rock? That's not a game.
That is the first rule of Clobber Ball. Now, let us clobber! Go! Now, take it from me!
Do you guys want to, or?
Very well then, I will give you the ball. You must defend it from me.
Bill, are we being hunted?
Yes, Selena. Yes, we are.
I have the ball!
Fangbone wants to play clobberball, does he? Oh, if only I knew a bunch of huge clobberball playing monsters. Oh, wait! I do! And if only I had a plan to destroy Fangbone and his wet noodle pal. Oh, wait! I do! And if only I could get him to play. Oh, wait! I do! I mean, I'll ask!
Fangbone.
Ah, Bill, what do you think of my pole of pushing? I will use it to push our class even harder.
Fangbone, they're not like you.
Why do you foul my bucket, slug wizard?
Oh, no reason. No reason except clobber back my clobber ball!
And I accept. Drool, I will clobber back your clobber ball.
What? No! No, he won't. Or doesn't. Or whatever he just said. Are you nuts?
A clobber ball challenge cannot be refused, Bill. We must show the strength of our clan.
But we're not that kind of strong.
I believe I understand, Bill. We must each use our greatest strength to defeat Drool at clobberball. And that is my strength. I will get ball. I will keep ball until the sun goes down. You will all help me.
Behold my starting lineup. He has a heart of stone. Raphael the monster. The Minotaur.
Will he use his weapon?
Just axe him yourself.
But we're gonna get clobbered!
Uncatchable Skullbanian snail. Touch him and you might get shocked and electrocuted. He's got his everything on you. The giant eyeball. Guy, look out for the ling log. And the wagon.
Ha ha ha! Quake in fear, foul slug spawn. For you face the mighty Fangbone and Bill. Dibby the Beeper, Patty of Sparkles, Robert the Naked, Stacy the Naysayer, Eddie the Uncloaked, and Selena of Hair. Trust in my strength. Now, to victory! Clobber back my clobber ball! But... Boom! But I have the ball! Clan! Clobber to me and defend it! No. No!
I told you, they're not good at clobbering.
This is worrying. Ow! Oh.
Now what?
I have failed. I did not keep the ball, and we cannot out-clobber such a horde of monsters. And that is why you must lead, Bill.
But why me?
I cannot see the strengths of our clan, but you did, and you can.
Okay, guys. We're sparkly, naked, sarcastic, and in this together. Let's get that ball before the sun goes down.
What's going on? Go! Clobber them again!
Eddie, Selena, now! Fangbone, clobber! Patty, glitter! Fangbone! Robert, go free!
What's wrong, huh? What's wrong? Whoa! So, you're just like, what? What are you gonna do? Give me a splinter?
Beep, you must protect the clobber ball. Negative. That is the clobber ball.
Quick! Get the ball! Everyone together!
Yeah! Well, that's what losing feels like!
That was amazing!
Your combined skills produced a strength I could not see. You should banish me to the shame pits and hurl your waste upon me.
Yeah, I don't think we need to do...
Time to bend some circuits.
Ha-ha! Try harder, Porcu-Penguin! Perhaps I should not have made that suggestion?
It was perfect! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tagging you in!
Foul spawn of Drool, I, Fangbone, am the herald of your doom! Huh?
Robo Dibby has arrived. I will use my robot powers to control Alt-Delete this monster.
Rowboat powers? What fighting abilities does a rowboat possess?
It's robot.
Yes, rowboat. That is what I said.
Dibby, no!
Electro Lasso deploy. You have breathed your last, beast. Assistance required.
Fangbone, his costume's too heavy.
But I am the Doom Herald! For a rowboat, you are terrible in water.
A robot's kind of like a fake metal person.
Ah, you mean a golem? A terrible creation of magic and steel.
What were you thinking, Dibby?
This unit only wanted to be a hero, like both of you.
But you are clearly not a hero like us.
Maybe you're a different kind of hero. You know, Fangbone is the hit things with a sword kind.
Yes, and Bill hits things with his brain.
What classification of hero am I?
If we ever have to fight a laptop fiend or something, you'll be the first person we call.
Robots do not cry. The optimum way to fight magic is with science. This unit's robot science is insufficient to protect the toe and its magical powers. Magical powers! 75% of Wednesday mornings, Miss Jillian queries Fangbone with a math question.
If you have 12 apples and I take away 3/4 of them, how many apples do you have left? Fangbone?
Fangbone is always confused for exactly 7.5 minutes.
Did you take my apples through force or trickery?
exactly 10:32, the sun reaches its azimuth and...
Curse your one yellow sun!
Beep.
I love it! I love it!
Dibby unit needs bathroom break. Thank you, bye! Magic output. Magic output. Negative magic. Aha!
Oh, what is that feeling? I don't like it! Stop doing that, you nerd! No, no! What's wrong with you?
No, these apples were not taken by force, nor were they an honor debt or sacrifices to Norganoth, Lord of Juicy Orbs. They may or may not be from the Forbidden Tree of Forever. I don't know. I didn't pick them.
Ha! Then the answer is simple. I do not believe you could take any of my apples. But I would gladly share them with you, if asked.
Boop.
Well, that's close to math.
Mission failure. No, 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 no. Droid bot! B. Yuck. Insufficient temperature.
Yes! Fire noodles for all!
Bleep, bleep, bleep. Wow. You got me. Objective: become a robot hero. Result: complete success.
All that's left is ice cream for frozen confections, the skating rink, and the fridge.
We will find you, Penguin.
Or you know, it could find us.
Come, Bill! Join me in cold, nipple-hardening battle! This battle has begun poorly.
Oh.
Worry not, humans. Robo-Dibby will neutralize this flightless bird.
You look different.
Did you shorten your hair? And then become a metal golem?
Look out! That's not a costume, is it?
It is a costume of science. Prepare to be deleted. Optic lasers. Titan fists. Crazy head missile.
Rowboats are very different in your world, Bill.
Oh, you think you can use my toe and go all science against me? I am the OG hacker, and now I'm in your brain program.
So, how exactly again did you become a giant robot?
Were you bitten by a were-rowboat? Fleets of them plague the waterways of Skullbania.
I got a virus? Robo-Dibby utilized the toe's magic.
You used the toe? You may be large, metal, and strong, but no good can ever come from evil magic!
What if you can't change back?
Old Dibby was weak and had feelings that could be damaged. Dibby Mark II has a better operating system.
10, get me my toe. 20, go to 10! Computers are easy!
Dibby?
Initiating new program.
Retrieve toe for drool, you nerd!
Foul rowboat treachery!
Dibby, what are you doing?
Dibby no longer in control of this unit. I have been reprogrammed by...
A real drool! Hashtag evil magic for life!
Whoa, no. Fangbone!
Former comrade Dibby, I am sorry, but you must fall.
Come on! Blast me! Let me have it!
Warning, Bill. My eye lasers are not a toy.
They'll bounce right off of... Whoa!
Warning. I already knew that.
We can't outsmart him.
He cannot be outsworded either!
Yes, yes! My computer skills are like my magic skills. Hella dope!
Ah!
Whoa! Bill, how do we defeat a rowboat such as this?
I don't know how to fight them.
But I do. Fangbone, Bill, obey my instructions.
But...
Fangbone, sever my Achilles heel drolicks. Bill, blind my auto trackers. They are on my face unit.
Whoa! Doesn't this hurt?
Robots do not feel pain, only an infinite go-to loop of regret.
No! The portal is that way, you rubber fool! You know what? Just smash them. Smash them to pieces!
You must disable my power core. Use the keypad on my back.
What's the code?
9,
Yeah?
9,
Okay.
9,
Another one?
9.
That's a terrible code!
Forgive me, Dibby Boat.
Excellent work, friend, you nerd.
No, no. No! You terrible machine!
Do you think he's okay?
I do not know, Bill, but truly, he was the most noble and seaworthy rowboat I have ever known.
Help! Help! I am stuck. SOS.
Fangbone!
Please help. Please help me.
Dibby! Once again, you are made of meat!
Beep, I'm sorry. I just wanted to be a hero, like you guys. Boop.
You are a hero, Dibby. You totally destroyed the porcupine penguin.
And we could not have defeated you without your aid.
Beep.
You must teach us more about the ways of the rowboat.
Robot.
Robot.
Oh! Robot! Bill!
What?
It is dawn, and I have hunted 3 breakfasts. Why do you still slumber?
Because school isn't for another 3 hours?
A barbarian always rises with the first sun. Only sloth weasels rise with the second. Wipe the sand of dreams from your eyes, Bill. A barbarian must be ready. Always. Yeah.
Oh, Fangbone. That was breakfast.
Worry not. We shall feast together, the barbarian way. Huh. Breakfast, please. Catch it, Bill. Catch you. Bill!
Ah!
Do not go into the maw of that metal beast.
It's a bus. You've been on the bus.
I have also been on a dragon, but I do not desire to be in one. Come, a barbarian must be swift of foot.
Ah! Fangbone, just for a bit, could you dial back the barbarian?
Dial back the barbarian. I know him not. Did he slay the Keeper of Time?
No. I mean, could you open your locker like a normal kid? Or let me take the bus? Or not destroy the toaster? Ugh. And it's photo day. Oh, why didn't anyone tell me?
You are mistaken, Bill. It is the day of Thurs.
It's also photo day. They take our photos for the yearbook. It's how we'll be remembered for the whole year.
Ha! I will be remembered until the stars crack open and the night birds devour the world. I need no photo.
Just play along, okay? Trust me, you want a good photo. Hair combed, clean shirt, sneezes out of the way.
Name?
Robert Tobert.
Robert Daubert, got it. Go for the deluxe package and get full free wallet size. Next.
It's always the same.
This is it. Wish me luck.
Grom, I have chosen my wish. Lay down your spell of luck upon Bill this day of photo.
Name.
Bill Goodwin.
Bill, may victory be yours!
Wait, I wasn't...
Go for the deluxe package and get fall free wallet size. Next.
So
Two words. Retakes. One word. It's one word.
Retakes? What retakes?
Next. Name.
Fangbone!
Fred Bone. In the chair. There's always a weird kid.
Oh, Bill, what is the meaning of this?
So I show up tomorrow and get a do-over? How'd I never know about this? It's okay, Fangbone.
Go for the deluxe package and get fall free wallet size. Next.
Molting is when an animal sheds it. Oh, am I allowed to show this?
Miss Jillian?
Fangbone? Is something wrong with your arm? You never raise your arm.
I must make droppings.
The washroom. Bill, go with him. The janitor's still on leave from last time.
Hey! You finally went to the washroom in the washroom! Up top.
Bill, I have not washed my hands.
But you've never washed your hands. Like, ever. Is that a sandwich? Is that a knife and fork? Is that a napkin?
So, that barbarian whelp has finally turned into a sandwich-eating hand washer. And I have just the creature for such an occasion! What? No. Okay. I'm a creative guy. I can make a monster on the spot. Oh, so done. Now, good puns. I guess I can just do this. Put that there. Yes. Do that. Yes. I'm in the zone. Good. But kind of vacant. Now for a deviously clever name. Rock Pile. The monster! Rock Pile the monster!
Ah! Fangbone! Fangbone?
Fred Bone?
Uh-huh. The photographer did that.
And Fangbone let him?
Yesterday, he even took the bus home.
Huh. That doesn't sound like Fangbone.
Awesome, right? Tomorrow I'm gonna try video games with him again. Bye, Mom. Fangbone! Why are you still wearing that?
Excuse me, sir. My friend and I are having a private tete-a-tete. So, shoo, be on your way.
Okay, you win. I wanted you to be more normal and you showed me. Now can we fight this thing?
Ha! In this jacket? You have rolled to your doom, rocks of drool!
Try cutting those magic bits! How'd you put that back on?
Put what back on, Billiam?
What is going on?
Indeed, this is a spring jacket.
Oh no! A red bone!
No, Fred Bone. The photographer took his photo and, well, look.
By Grom's three-piece breastplate. When Fangbone's neck rope reaches his waist rope, he'll become Fred Bone forever.
Ah, fractions. Who knew I'd be so partial to you?
It's worse than I thought!
How do we stop it?
This photo, you must smash it! You must smash it good!
Maya Cabana!
Do you think you can chop them apart again?
William, you must have me confused with someone who chops.
Oh, just run then!
Well, I hardly think that's polite.
Run now! Photos on my fridge. We gotta tear it up. The toe, of course. And problem solved.
I knew I should have waited for the smith of locks. This always happens when I rush my monsters.
Oh, Billiam, what a frightful mess. Do be more careful next time.
What? I destroyed the photo like Twinklestick said.
Still in the game!
I don't understand. It was just a print. We need the original. Retakes day. Come on. Fangbone, headbutt this thing open.
Billiam, the mere suggestion of such brutality makes
You
me...
headbutted like 100 things yesterday. Ow! Oh!
Oh, Billiam, that dreadful creature has returned. Now, you listen. Oh, my.
Bad, bad, terrible, bad. Yes! Oh, hey, Bill, good luck with the retakes.
We need the...
Please, allow me. Sir, my companion requires the photography files from the portrait session you held yesterday.
No.
Well, Billiam, we tried our best.
Give me the bag.
Let go, kid. No.
Ah!
I really must give this fellow a piece of my mind. Sir, you have been poor company indeed.
Down here, you big, whatever you're supposed to be. Pile of rocks, I guess.
Good heavens.
Bang, bump.
Billiam, did you know I carried a severed digit on my person? Thankfully, that creature took it.
It took the toe, Fangbone. It took the toe.
Wait, it took the toe. The toe, Bill! It took the toe! We must get it back!
But if we don't smash your photo, you'll be Fredbone forever.
And so it shall be. We surely cannot allow that foul footfinger to return to Master Drool and cause our torturous doom!
Yes! Fangbone!
I will take back the toe, even if I must wear a suit for all eternity!
Yes! Why do they make these so tough?
Drool will not have his toe today, because I have a luncheon at the club tomorrow. Hip hip.
Fangbone! Oh, Fangbone!
What an odd name. No, I'm Fredbone. Oh, did we meet perchance at the Spring Cotillion?
Oh.
Swords, glory.
Fangbone!
Bill, I dreamt I became a strange boy. Fredbone?
No, that really happened.
What? What magic transformed me back?
The magic of photo editing. See? I can fix that.